To do enough to stimulate, but not more than that, because this is an overload that you've got to recover from. So you've got to recover before you grow as well. So you don't want to go back to the gym before that whole process has taken place. So I use some simple analogies sometimes when people are training with me. Like, we're going in now, we're knocking a wall down, right? We're rehabbing your house, we're knocking a wall down, and the guys need to come now with the bricks. So they need materials, and they need to do it, but they're halfway through building that wall, and you come and knock it down again. We're not getting anywhere, you know? So that's the process that you kind of have to understand. But the idea is to not do more than is necessary, because then you're going to find it harder to recover. And the process is stimulate, right? So you got to train, you got to overload, and during this process you're not growing, you're creating damage, stress to the muscle that then has to recover and then overcompensate. So two things need to be in place. You need to be sufficient intensity or overload, or there'll be no reaction, and then you need to recover from that. And let's just put it straight out there, man. You know, there's a big difference between somebody using anabolic steroids than somebody that's not. So somebody that's using can recover from that process more quickly than somebody that isn't.